In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom navbar in Webflow. Let's dive right in and start by opening up our Webflow editor. If you already have a workspace, open it up. If not, create a new one where we can start designing our custom navbar. Now that you're in the editor, you'll want to head over to the Elements panel. This is where we can access various components, including our navbar. If you're having difficulty locating it, you can use the search function to find navbar easily. The navbar element is a great starting point because it provides a structural foundation that is simple to modify and customize. Once you've found the navbar, click on it to add it to your workspace. At this stage, Webflow will place a default navbar on the canvas. But don't worry, this is just the beginning. From here you can adjust the settings to tailor the navbar to suit your project's needs. Feel free to experiment with these settings. Webflow's interface is intuitive, and you can tweak heights, fonts, colors, and anything else that will make the navbar uniquely yours. Next, click on Choose Image to add any visual elements you might want within your navbar. Maybe you want a logo or a decorative banner. Select the image you want by uploading it from your files, or choose from any stock images you have on hand. These visuals can help to make your navbar more engaging. After setting up the visual elements, it's time to link your navbar to other parts of your website. Select Add Link to start this process. You'll then want to click on the Nav Link option. Here you can type in the URL you wish to link to each button or menu item. It's crucial that these links are correctly entered so your site's visitors can easily navigate between different pages or sections. As we move forward, you can further adjust these links or even add more if needed. Experiment with the navigation settings to understand how they can enhance the user experience on your site. This is where you can truly enhance the customization of your navbar, highlight certain elements, create drop-downs, or adjust hover effects to make the interaction more intuitive. Once you feel satisfied with your customizations and have finalized all edits, it's time to publish your work. Click on the Publish button to bring your design to life. Make sure to click Publish to selected domains to ensure it's visible on your site. Finally, after ensuring everything looks good, close the window to save your changes. And that's it, you've created a dynamic custom navbar in Webflow. Thanks for following along and happy designing!